Right now, people don't have enough way to control the risk of the cryptocurrency. People are so worried about volatility, price sharp drop. We want to build the same grade of markets, which is capital market space, which clearly are missing piece for the DeFi space. Being able to create a solution to make people happy and reduce the concerns of the volatility or price so that people can focus on their real business of what they want to build. My name is Masa Kikuchi. I'm Security Finance founder. We're building yield curve for Web3. Interbank market is decentralized peer-to-peer, and Web3 is also decentralized and peer-to-peer. But the major difference is people find a problem with Web 2, like a concentration of powers. People got manipulated by a major tech company, and it's similar thing actually happened in the interbank space. In the interbank space in 2012, there's a big scandal called LIBOR scandal. LIBOR is a universal benchmark rate where everyone believes this is very fairly determined, but actually it turns out that it's manipulated by the group of major banks. People so relied on this LIBOR benchmark rate, but it's actually manipulated for profits. And then I come up with, okay, we have to make this transparently determined by the rule-based, by smart contracts, so that reduce the involvement of humans, right? Human makes mistakes. So decentralization is basically reducing the risk of concentration of power. So similar idea from Web 2 to Web 3 movement should be happen on the finance space from interbank business model to a Web 3 based democratized finance model. I want to democratize because this is so powerful, so flexible, so creative market, but only accessible for bankers. And the reason why we can't democratize beforehand is the cost. It doesn't make sense to make a retail-sized trades. But thanks to blockchain, a smart contract, we can reduce dramatically about compliance costs, processing costs. That's how we can democratize and make this super creative market accessible for everyone. I'm working with, firstly, storage providers. They want to have a lending market and borrowing market. That's the first step. And we also work with market makers and traders because we're making a new market. So new market comes with new arbitrage opportunity, new profit opportunity. Let's say we can build a stablecoin, US dollar stablecoin yield curve. This value is backed by US dollar. So you can compare with US dollar treasury yield curve versus USDC yield curve. Then there must be some differences where you can make profits out of it. So that kind of market maker will bring liquidity and it comes with volatility reduction. We eventually can achieve the stable market. I was a traditional finance banker, but I quit. I left the company when financial crisis happened, and I was looking for something new. And I wanted to become a computer scientist and went back to school to become a computer scientist. In 2018, I went to MIT Bitcoin Expo and Hackathon. And that's when I met Juan Bennett for the first time. He was so helpful, so passionate. I was so excited about the vision of Protocol Labs and also Web3 and blockchain. I was so fascinated about the potential of smart contract and the potential of the blockchain, and then decided to go this Web3 way. For founders, Web3 founders, I would highly recommend you to buy air ticket and meet people, make offline connections, because offline meetings, face-to-face meeting has many additional dimensions. And online meeting is great to deliver information and make something done, but it's too shallow. Information is too shallow. And we are all humans. Understanding each other is really the key to bring a new value, to find a new opportunity. So we can always find real value, real opportunity by seeing each other. Secure finance is pushing humanity forward by providing people to manage future risks and envision the future and control the future. That's clearly what we are missing. Finance is all about abstraction of human activity, and everyone wants to predict the future. We can provide a way to predict and ways to lock the future so that you can focus on what you want to do.